Hello, organizing gals. Well, I want to tell you way to go on accomplishing week 1. This week you bought yourself flowers. Wasn't that fun? And then you got your thinking desk organized and you organized the bathrooms. And even if you didn't finish all the bathrooms, just know you're still a success if you learned something and you're learning the concepts of the I Can Do It organizing system. And you are slowly building momentum so that you're learning the concepts that you need for success. Okay, today's joyful project is to enjoy your bathroom and create a spa moment. So you might enjoy it or you might hate it. I personally love facials. I'm not really a bubble bath person. So that's just me. And you need to figure out what you enjoy. So I want to tell you about the second tool that I've created. It's called Discover Your Joy, the Self-Care Journal. This book has actually changed my life. It has been fantastic. So one of the most powerful questions in this book is, what would make today amazing? And so, for example, this day, what would make today amazing? Aqua Zumba, painting, a nice dinner. So often it's not like a huge thing. It's not like I need to go to Disneyland to have a great day. It's like Aqua Zumba. I need to just go to the rec center and enjoy some Aqua Zumba, or have a nice dinner and just make it a little bit better than usual. Anyway, so this book it's changed my life because it doesn't take very long and it helps you be deliberate about joy. You know, when I grew up, I was the oldest of 11 children, and my mom and dad had a farm and a handicapped son, and there was just so much work to do, so many things to care for, lots of, challenges and trials. And so, I learned always do your work and then you can play, which worked fantastic. My mom taught me to do that, and I created a successful life, but I kind of was running my life a little bit too much by duty. And as a mom, it hasn't worked that well because, when you think, well, when your work's done, you can play. And really, as a mom, your work is never done. There's always going to be one more load of laundry. There's going to be another bathroom to clean. There's going to be another meal to make. So I've learned to actually sometimes eat my dessert first, and my work still gets done. But it's been fantastic, and this book has helped me. But, self-care doesn't have to be complex. You don't even have to have this book to actually figure out your self-care. If you'll just take a deep breath, inhale and exhale 3 times, and ask your heart, what do I need for self-care? Your heart will tell you. For example, like my 3 things that I really need, and I am fantastic at these. Number 1, sleep. I'm a person that needs a lot of sleep. And as I talk to young moms, that seems to be common among moms. We could be up all night long with a baby, and we need to get our sleep. So what I did during my young baby years for 15 years is I would work 8 hours, and then at 2 p.m. I'd hit my Waterloo. I was just like, my life stinks. I hate my life. And then I would go to sleep, wake up from my nap, and I was recharged, ready to hit it again for 8 more hours. And I needed to take that nap since I could be up nursing a baby all night long. So sleep was critical. Another thing that's super important for me is to get pretty. Get pretty, even if I don't leave my house not one time. I get pretty because it helps me with my attitude. I feel happier, I feel energized. My 3rd thing I do is I do something every day that stays done. Whether it's a little bit of writing, like journaling, or a little bit of sketching or painting, that means a ton to me. That's just my personality. My mom, she's different than me. Her 3 things for self-care is she likes to always have a pair of pants that fit and look fantastic. She needs something to look forward to, some hope for the future, something that she can plan for. And then her last thing is a good book. If she has a good book, she has those 3 things, she's good to go. As Crystal Meldrum, your fairy godmother, I grant you permission to give yourself some self-care and enjoy your spa moment. You have permission. I hand you the magic wand and you can make this happen for yourself. So this is Crystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com, and I hope you have a wonderful spa day.